wakes at last over Osaka Bay. We're still moving together.